damn thing still failed. Still failed. Crap. Alright, so what's wrong with it? Why is it still failing? What's going on, guys? So I'm trying to work on a computer right now, and yet it's failing all the time. Every time you go to run a sequence, reboot a hard drive, I formatted it. Whoa, what the hell? Why is it way up there? There you go. That looks better. So it literally says it. It says F2 to continue. Crazy part is it wouldn't even let me in the BIOS right now. Trying to put Windows 10 in it. I've reformatted the hard drive. I did a light format. I did a diagnosis check on it. Everything was running good. Now it wants it to, holy Jesus. There's something really screwy with this hard drive. I think what I'll have to do is get another hard drive, something a little different, because the client's not going to want to deal with this. They're going to want to just take the computer, push the button, and let the computer turn on. Like, that's what they want. They're not going to want to hit F2 and then select which windows to choose from. You know what I mean? I'm not going to use a license key, because if I put if I use an actual license key in the operating system, and I do end up having to change the hard drive because this hard drive is somewhat corrupt somewhere, and it keeps, I don't know, it keeps boot looping. You know, you turn it on and it immediately comes up with an error that says this computer failed. Press F2 to continue, and then it even says something about the CPU fan failed. So what I think is, I think of one or two things is happening. I think that the fan header on the motherboard is like shorted out, and it's causing an issue to come about, or there's something physically wrong with the hard drive. And I've reformatted it once. I've wiped it clean, and now I'm trying to put Windows 10 Home 64-bit onto it, and the first thing that it came up to was that this system has failed. So I hit F2. It prompts me into the, into the initial, what do you call it, boot log or the boot order. It just comes up real fast, and I can see that it's like third in the list. There it is. It goes to it, locks it, loads, and then this shit happens. So I don't know. Something's not right with it, and I'm gonna figure it out. I've already cleaned it, unless I can get another drive. See, if I take a drive, like I have Windows 10 on an SSD, I put the SSD in there, the computer works great, no issues whatsoever. It's the hard drive. Computers. And then on top of that, my wireless mouse decided to die. Yes, it died. So we went with the RGB mouse. Is this light on? There you go. That's not too bad. I bet it'd be even better if I turned on the others. Let's see here. Where's the light? On. Wrong button. There it is. Holy. That's not bad. That's better. All right. Okay, Mr. System. It's getting it ready. We're getting ready. Here, I'll get closer in on the action, if it will let me. This is crazy how it like zooms. All right. No, zoom don't work. Oh yeah, it does. Look, there it is. There's the error. I get that dang error right there every time. It says system fan has failed. Service PC to prevent damage to the system. Press F2 to continue. So that tells me, whoops, sorry guys. Right there. There it is. Yeah, that's the issue that I'm getting. So let me show y'all what happens if I switch drives and put something different in. So I don't know. It's goofy as hell why it's doing this. But that's what they pay me the bigger bucks for. That's why they pay me the bigger bucks, because I fix it, and I fix it good. F2. Hail. Salute. What's that out of? When it's a movie, and that's how they salute. They salute like this, and then they go like that. What's that out of? Spaceballs. It's out of Spaceballs. That's what it's from. And they go, "Mom." That's what it's from. Y'all like the lamp? Check it. Boom. It was engraved by Corded Arms. He helped me out and engraved it. Did a good job on it. It's funny. It's like black people, they got rapper names. White people, it's like our nickname is our business. Does that make sense? Come on, Windows. All right, while it's sitting there thinking about what it wants to do, I'll be right back, even though there's nobody watching. Even though there's nobody watching. All right. So what I did is I got a new hard drive. All right, so here's the new. Oh, what the? Are you serious? Now you want to work after I just went and dug out a son of a bitch, man. Dang. I went through all that crap, and now it wants to ask me what region I'm in. All right. So I went and got an SSD. This has Windows 10 preloaded on it. And then I got another hard drive that this is my backup drive. So if we can get this drive to do what we want, see, I want it to load and get everything, get all of its ducks in a row. Once it's done, we're going to turn it off and then turn it back on. If we get that same error that we were getting previously, then we know that the hard drive that's in the system is bad something. I don't know, something bad in it. It's already been reformatted once. Test. This is a test. Let's see if it works. Oh my God. Hey, look, if you ever want to skip this crap right here where it says add a password, all you got to do is leave it blank and hit next, and you won't need a password. That's that easy. Make Corona. No, I don't like Corona. No. Except, I'm just trying to get through it quickly. Quickly, get through it, get through it. I got to get this done. This has to be done today. So whatever the hell's wrong with this system, I need to figure it out ASAP. I think what's really going on is I think one of the fan headers on the motherboard has a short. And I think for some reason it's causing like an issue to come about. And I think it the hard drive at some point. Maybe. I don't know. Because when I take this hard drive and put it on the test bed out in the garage, then the hard drive comes up, like I can read all the files and pull them, do whatever I want in it. But as soon as I like put it back on this system, it just starts acting weird. So I don't know. But if it's like it will get through this, it'll get through like a step of putting the windows in, and then it fails. And then I get this error telling me that I need to hit F2 again. So I hit F2, and then it'll pick back up in the sequencing process of putting the new windows in. So it'll get to like 30%, fail, hit F2, F2. And then it'll go from 30% to like 50%, and it'll fail again. And you'll have to hit F2. And then it'll go. And so you see what I'm saying? We're just kind of like, and it's annoying. So if this doesn't work, I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to put this one back in. This has Windows 10 on it. This is an SSD. Hopefully it'll get to work. Oh, look at that. Windows came up. Windows, Windows, Windows. All right. All right. That's fine. I don't care. I just want to make sure that the damn thing is on. Let's go into the storage real quick and see if it's partitioning correctly, if there's any flags or any. What the hell? No, I don't want Bing. Bing sucks. I hate Bing. Bing, you suck a ding-a-ling. That's for damn sure. Okay, wait a minute. Ask me anything. I want the storage. You stupid computer. Give me storage. Okay, storage. What the fuck? It's still reading that it has two partitions. I don't get it. I don't get it. It's telling me that it has, like, this should just be like a file. Like, why the fuck is it telling me that there's two hard drives when there's only one? I'm gonna knock the hell out of this system. I've already pulled the damn Windows license out. Like, that was done. It was like loaded onto it already. Okay. Hold on. Let's try this. Let's get out of this crap. Let's just turn it off. Let's see when I turn this stupid thing back on, right? When I turn it back on, let's see if it throws a flag. If it throws an error, this top hand screen right here, if it comes up yellow and red, then you'll know. All right, where's the button at? Button. Turn on. Look, see it? There's that error. The system fan has failed, but the system fan is spinning. That's why I think it's something with the motherboard. But if you just hit F2, it'll do this. Hopefully, it'll just start Windows normally. Definitely pull that out. What? You want it? Yes, I know. It's like 98 degrees out in that bitch. Okay, so it came up as a test. That one did. All right. So there's Windows. All right. All right. All right. Let's shut down because I know that it gave me that error last time. Come on, shut off. All right. So the system is down. Now let's see if I still get that error. I'm going to plug in my SSD with Windows 10 on it. And we're going to see if we get that same F2 error that pops up. Fan header on the motherboard is going bad. That's what it is. It has to be that. Because if it wasn't that, what else could it be? Oh, wait a minute. Hold up now. Hold up. How about that? This was one of the other fans that was plugged in at the time. But I disconnected it. So let's see if that changes it. All right, so there's mine. Mine's coming up beautifully. Okay. Thank you very much. Shut down. Yep. Shut down. Okay, so let's see if when I turn it back on, if we still get that same error. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. I'm not exactly sure, but we'll find out. Okay, so here we go. This is with the other fan plugged in. Ha! There it goes. Okay. All right. So this is good. This is good. Let's this is good. Let's shut it down and plug in the other hard drive. And if the other hard drive doesn't give me no errors like that F2 fan bull, that crap we were just getting, I can't believe it. This system has two CPU fan headers on it. And I didn't think that it would cause an error. Not like that. That's weird. All right. Here we go. This is with the original hard drive. Hopefully we don't get no errors. F10 to set up. All right. All right. Let's see. Let's see what happens if we hook a little internet to it. Yes. Okay. It got a lot of thinking to do. Look, it ain't even pulling up. Let's see if the internet works. You can install, Windows 10 on a hard drive, no problem. all you got to do is skip the product key part. When it says, do you want to add a product key? Just go down and say, I do not have a product key. And then just click that, and it will still let you go into Windows 10. But you will have a few issues from time to time with certain things that will always pop up. Okay, so let's try youtube.com and see if it works. Because we want to make sure everything is fully functional. No thanks. All right, so we go in here and we type in A Tech. Look, it comes up immediately. Let's go search it. Search me. There I am. Oh, look, I'm live. That's pretty cool. I have 180 subscribers, 217 videos. That's not too bad, is it? To have 200 videos and only 180 subscribers? But that's not bad because, like, literally last month we were sitting at like 130. Now we're at 180. So that's pretty good. I mean, I'm not going to let it get me down. I'm just going to keep chugging and chugging and chugging, you know? All right, so I believe that this system is okay. I think everything is. Now, I think what I should probably do is change the name from test to, I don't know. You need to activate Windows before you can personalize your account. I just want to change my name. No, I don't want to add a password. Let's go to info. Now I can put in a Windows key and get that activated. But I don't know if I'll be able to. That'll be for another day, I guess, huh? Or maybe I should talk to Jen. I mean, you can still use the computer fully. They'll want me to do it. I know they will. So that would probably cost, I don't know. What do y'all think? What would you charge? I've gotten probably about 2 or 3, maybe 4 hours worth of labor into it. I've had to taken it apart, walk back and forth between my test bench and this system probably about 4 times. I've taken out the hard drive and cleaned it and wiped it, and then I physically cleaned the computer, and I put new thermal paste between the CPU and the heatsink. So I'm thinking like $65, $70. It's a hotel. So maybe 65, $70, something like that. That's not too bad, right? All right. So I guess what we'll have to do is get a copy of Windows. But for right now, I'm just going to shut it down, and I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to start it one more time, and then if everything works good, I'll put the machine back together. All right, here we go. Hopefully this works. There it goes. It's booting. It's booting. There it is. All right. That's good. So I can put the system back together now. No problemo. No problem. Okay, let's put it back together. Might as well. I need screws. That fan can just go over there. This hard drive. I never took the hard drive out, so I don't have to worry about that. But these. Set in here somehow. It just sits on little grooves. If I remember correctly. Now, this DVD drive. Uh-oh. Guess it would help if I put this stupid screw back in. There it goes. You gotta get that hard drive part centered too, because the hard drive wants to. Like, it has these little tabs on the side where it slides together. So hopefully that. All right, now what? Is that the right way it goes? I don't remember. Because I still got to put this stupid thing on the front panel. Good God, that thing was dusty. Yeah, it looks like that is right because the disc sprayer is at the top, see?
Hello. Welcome. La 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 la.
All right. So let's see here. I'm just going to shove all that shit in here for a second. Hold up. Now this right here should just pop on with little clicks. But I don't know about the bottom. How's the bottom work? Oh, the bottoms are push throughs. So it pushes in, it snaps on, and you're good. Yo. Gave it a 1, 2. And that was it. 1, 2. Alright, so I need my trusty screwdriver. See, I don't get them little stupid tabs. Oh, they're so frustrating. Okay, what is this? This is this. This, yeah. So this part, you know, it, huh. Maybe I did. That's my fault, y'all. My fault. Because that's not right. The SATA for that one was not right. Nope, it sure wasn't. That would explain why that plug was goofy. What about the other one? Yes, I got it. We're good. We're good. Problem solved. We're good. got it. See right there? All right, we're good. Okay, so now this part kind of wraps around this way. And very, damn, I can't see it. Because these stupid things got tabs on them. Usually it's just like that. Come on. Like that. And you're good. And you're good. That's it. No more. No mas. Done. And I think, shit, this fan has to sit in that little groove right there. And then for some odd reason, this right here goes in. And that's what like holds this whole thing together is that fan, okay? And it takes this one little goofy screw. All right. So there it is. The system supposedly should be done. Like we shouldn't have to do nothing else. Hopefully, well, I think it's upside down. Yeah, it is upside down. But that's the only way I could get it to work. The cables and stuff. So but anyway, let's try turning it on. See what happens. All right, so it spins up. Let's see if I get Windows. And yep, good deal. That right there is a success. So now I'll write up an invoice. I'll write up what I found to be wrong with it, and then I'll write up how I fixed it and how much it's going to cost, and that will be an invoice and a receipt, and I'll hand that in to them so that way they'll have it. Come on. There it is. Test. So that's it. I successfully fixed another computer. And I've been doing it for 33 minutes. So I've been working on it for at least 4 hours. And that's it. Computer's good to go. They are welcome. I'm going to shut it down. Because really all I wanted to do was I just wanted to live stream me fixing this computer. See, another thing is, guys, I was looking up this motherboard, okay? This is a Gigabyte GA990FXA UD7 Phantom Edition motherboard. I found it on eBay. One guy was selling it for $600. The other guy was asking $300. Amazon wants $250 something for it, and then the guy wants like $50 to ship it, so that's a $300 deal. But mine has a 8-core processor with it too, an FX8150. It's a DDR3 machine. Also, look, it has a power, a MOS reset button, right? A CMOS reset button, and then a regular reset button. And then down here at the bottom, it has a display code. It has full heat sinks running through to the audio, which is this over here, all the way up to the MOSFETs and all of the power distributing and the way it distributes the power. You know, the more of these, the better the board. That's what I've always been told, the more performance it can handle. Plus, it's full of I/O. I mean, look at all of that I/O that's on there, guys. It's ridiculous. It has 8 SATA. 8 SATA. The CPU is 8 pin. That's crazy. And then it takes a 24 pin on this side. But this is right, and it has 4 DIMM slots. This is the most high performance, most expensive piece of motherboard equipment I've ever held in my hands. I mean, this thing is a beauty and an art, and I bought it both for $10. I bought both of this for $10, guys. Isn't that crazy? I put it in 4K this time, so hopefully the quality of the image looks better. So, all right. I'll see you guys later because it sounds like mom is home. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave me a like. Hi, Mama. Done.